There is a famous incident in the time of Prophet Muhammad ﷺ, where he was set with the companions and a man came, whom the Prophet said was a man of paradise. One of the companions, Abdullah ibn Amr, was curious to know more and followed him and observed this man for 3 days, but couldn't find anything special or extraordinary. Finally, he asked the companion about what he does that makes him special, and the man couldn't think of anything. But after a bit, he said, "Every night before I go to sleep, I forgive whoever has wronged me. I remove any bad feeling towards anyone from my heart." We can see from this, forgiveness is such a big act that anyone can enter paradise who forgives and his heart is free from grudges. These days, many families and relatives do not talk to each other for ages if anything went wrong amongst them. Here I want to mention an incident where Abu Bakr had been spending on his poor relative, Mr. Ibn Utata. What could be more difficult than having a poor relative on whom you spend and treat kindly? Then he cast a aspersion on your honor by speaking ill of it. After knowing this, Abu Bakr said, "By Allah, I shall never spend anything on Mr. again." Then Allah revealed the Quranic verse. They should forgive their misconduct and overlook their mistake. Do you not like that Allah should forgive you? And Allah is the most forgiving and ever merciful. Abu Bakr resumed spending on Mr. May Allah be pleased with them both, and saw that he would never stop doing so. When we think of forgiveness, we mostly think of Allah's forgiveness, but we forget how important it is that we also forgive. Undoubtedly, there is no one among us who does not make mistakes and does not wrong other people, but we should do it for Allah's sake. Allah knows it can be very hard to really forgive someone who hurt you, but above all, it's the greatest motivation to push ourselves to forgive. Before going to sleep every night, forgive everyone and sleep with a clean mind and heart. You will find your inner peace and feel so relaxed by forgiving others.